So question number 6. It is actually for accounts of a charitable hospital. From the following particulars relating to Radha Krishna Charitable Hospital, Pune, prepare income and expenditure account. Okay, for the year ending 31st March 2020 and balance sheet on that date. The receipts and payment account is given to you and turn the page. Page turn karo. Additional information is given to you. Now, especially about subscription, please see. Subscription is given to you due for 2019 and 2020, मतलब last year and current year. Due means what? Outstanding. Due but not received. And subscription received in advance also given to you for last year and current year. Stock of medicine is opening stock, closing stock is given to you. Okay. Now put a tick marking for subscription. Subscription के लिए 4 tick marking करो. 4 tick marking. म्हणजे item 1 आणि 4 adjustments. Okay. One item, four adjustments are there. Then tick mark medicine के लिए आपको double tick marking करना है. Opening stock, closing stock is there. Then estimated value of the equipments. Opening balance is given to you 15,000 rupees. Look at the payment side, please. Payment side la baga. Any new equipment purchase? Yes. So tick mark equipments 10,000 rupees. Okay. लेकिन equipment को हमको double tick marking करना पड़ेगा. Because 10,000 given to you and पहले कितना है हमारे पास 15,000 है और नीचे depreciation दिया है देखो. The depreciation is given to you below. Provide depreciation on equipments 1,900. तो equipments के लिए आपको पहले से 2 tick marking रखना जरूरी है. One for purchase, one for depreciation. Then building के लिए भी एक tick mark करो. Capital fund is a liability. 10% investment is a 1 lakh. Now look at the payment side. क्या हमने नया investment किया है? Any new investment is done? Or any interest on investment is outstanding? Okay, look at the payment side. There is no new investment purchased by hospital. But look at the receipt side, please. To interest on investment 10,000. And look at the investment in the additional information. Additional information 10% investment 1 lakh. On that 1 lakh 10%, मतलब 10,000 is the interest. Okay. So nothing is outstanding. यहाँ पे कोई outstanding नहीं है. तो investment को tick marking करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. It is not necessary to put any tick marking for investment as such. Okay. Now how to begin? See, the balance sheet we are going to prepare. So first of all, from the additional information, okay, please record the assets. Which assets? Equipments, building, ये लिखेंगे. Then investment and capital fund in the liability side. So equipments are given to you 15,000. Record in the assets and equipments. Inner column having 1 and 2. Okay, like this. Building also in the inner column amount is 40,000 rupees. Capital fund is a liability. Inner column में हमेशा आएगा 1,70,940. 1,70,940. Then 10% investment. We record it to balance sheet assets. Directly outer column. उसके लिए कोई adjustment नहीं है. Okay, nothing is outstanding and rather nothing is newly purchased. हमने कोई नया investment लिया भी नहीं. So it is directly outer column. So So in this way, you record the assets, fixed asset like equipment, building, furniture, investment और capital fund आपको ये लिखना पड़ेगा और any other fund is to be recorded to liability side. What is about subscription stock of medicine that we will consider at the time of recording the particular item. For example, medicine purchased 41,000 rupees. अब देखो ये पहले ओपनिंग स्टॉक देखो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन में ओके आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है पहले इन दिस वे एक्सपेंडिचर साइड में आएगा टू कॉस्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन कंज्यूम opening stock is given to you 8,000 in the additional information last year का जो stock है वो opening stock है inner column and purchased so medicine purchased during the year 41,000 now it is becoming 49,000 and less from that the closing stock that the minus करें है stock of medicines at the end of the year 11,000 so less closing stock so this is the cost of medicines which are consumed during the year लेकिन यहाँ पे जो closing stock है उसको double bit देना जरूरी है it is necessary to give the second bit of the closing stock asset ला लिहून टाका recording the asset side stock of medicines so record in the balance sheet asset thereafter general expenses salary stationery okay all these items are to be recorded to expenditure side general expenses general expenses are 1,050 salary 23,500 stationery rupees 2,000 expenses of charity show 550 okay yes only 550 rupees हाँ अभी आपको ये देखना है रिसीट साइड में क्या हमारे पास कोई प्रोसीड्स फ्रॉम चैरिटी शो है yes it is given to you 8,530 now there are two options number one you can write expense of charity show in the expenditure side and proceeds from the charity show in the income side or second option is record the proceeds from charity show in the income side either column and minus from that expense of charity show okay चलो second option लेते हैं and record in the income side by proceeds from charity show it is 8,530 minus from that expenses on charity show is the 550, 550 only. So actually these are the net sale proceeds from charity show. Okay. और अगर expenses ज्यादा होता तो if expenses are 10,000 rupees and proceeds that is 8,530, in that case it is to be recorded to the expenditure side because difference expenditure side में आएगा. Then thereafter surgery and dispensary expenses. So these are expenses, surgery and dispensary expenses. The amount is 4,200. Then buy equipment. These are equipments newly purchased. Add in equipment. नया asset लिया है, नवीन asset घेतली की त्याच्यामध्ये add करा. 25,000 झाले. Add in the equipments. Then cash in hand and cash at bank. Yes, these are closing balances. And it is to be recorded in balance sheet asset. A closing balances asset ला घेऊन टाकायचे. So cash in hand. Cash in hand is a 960 rupees. And cash at bank it is 13,000. So in this way, step by step, देखो मी कसं रेकॉर्ड केलं, पहिल्या सगळ्या ऍसेट आणि लायबिलिटी रेकॉर्ड केल्या. ऍसेट कुठल्या रेकॉर्ड करायचे असतात? फिक्स्ड ऍसेट. ओके, करंट असेट नहीं, फक्त फिक्स असेट रिकॉर्ड करेगा. फिक्स असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज में आपको क्या लिखना है? ऑल फंड, कैपिटल फंड, एजुकेशन फंड, प्राइस फंड, देन बिल्डिंग फंड वगैरह असं दिलं असेल तर then we recorded all expenditure payment side. आता receipt side record करायची. To balance brought down, cash in hand, that is opening balance. हा opening balance लिहायचा नाही आपल्याला, don't record. Subscription, yes. It is to be recorded to income side by subscription. Inner column. Okay. मग लगे हात त्याची ऍडजस्टमेंटच करून टाकू ना. Okay. Everybody please see the adjustment of the subscription given in the additional information. Subscription due last year 310 and current year 350. Okay, now the subscription is given as a one amount. It is not given separately year wise. तो आपको क्या करना है? करायचं कसं? Last year outstanding less. So minus outstanding for 2019, 310 rupees. Last year outstanding single effect है. Okay. Current year outstanding add and balance sheet asset 350. And balance sheet asset outstanding subscription. Outstanding subscription. Okay. Now what is about advance? Exactly opposite. Received in advance. That is a pre-received subscription. Pre-received like exactly opposite करायचं. Last year add करा. advance received during 2019, 600 add, सिंगल इफेक्ट लास्ट ईयर के लिए सिंगल इफेक्ट है, but current year advance received in 2020 for next year माइनस करा माइनस. And to be recorded to balance sheet liabilities, that is a pre-received subscription, pre-received subscription 150, 150. So subscription, if it is given as a one amount, फिर आपको इस तरह से करना है, last year outstanding less current year outstanding add and current year balance sheet asset. Last year advance add, current year advance less and current year balance sheet liabilities. Now the next item from the receipt side, donation general, that is your income by donations. 17,500. Interest on investment. So interest on investment is an income 10,000. And finally, we want to see the depreciation adjustment. The depreciation on equipment is a 1,900 and building is a 1,500. So equipment का depreciation है 1,900 minus from equipments and building depreciation is a 1,500. So depreciation minus and to be recorded to expenditure side. Depreciation on equipment 1,900 and on building 1,500. Outer government is 3,400. Now let us continue with the calculations. Calculation part आपल्याला बघायचा आहे, and we want to calculate whether there is a surplus or deficit. Look at the problem carefully, okay, and you can understand which total is more. So here you can see that income total is all the way more. Income जास्त है, okay. वैसे भी हॉस्पिटल को इनकम ज्यादा ही होता है. ₹87,970 is the total. Okay. And now let us find out surplus. Surplus is also called as the excess of income or expenditure. So surplus is 15,820. 15820. Capital fund मध्ये add करा. Surplus is to be added in capital fund. 15,820 rupees. And now take the total to make it tally. One lakh 86,910 rupees. Liabilities total ali. Asset total also same. So your the problem is getting tallied. So that is the explanation of question number 6. I guess तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना कळलं असेल.